Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to configure a Hotmail account with pop access with Outlook. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, and once you have successfully logged in, go to your settings over here on the upper right corner, which will look like a gear icon. Click on that to view all of your settings. Go to the mail option over here, and on the right side, choose forwarding and IMAP settings. Now find the option, let devices and apps use POP. So you just need to scroll down and you will have that option over here, okay? And you can easily toggle it on. So toggle is on and off, okay? So we can turn this off anytime you want. Just make sure to hit save if you're going to make any changes so that Outlook or Hotmail will apply these immediately. Okay? Then send yourself a test email to confirm if everything is working. And that's it. You have successfully, or your Hotmail account is now set up with POP access. I hope you found this video very helpful.